Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make a simple navbar by using CSS, HTML and JavaScript in web development. You can see many navbars in our regular websites, and I will tell you how you can make a simple navbar. So let's start. First of all, I will open my Visual Studio Code. Here I am going to use the Tailwind CSS. I am not going to use the vanilla CSS as it will take a lot of time, and we will also do some smart work here as Tailwind help us to create a very great designs without learning or writing vanilla CSS. So first of all, as you can see here, I have already set up my Tailwind CSS. Here is the style.css and index.html. So now I will show you. First, let me type the boilerplate. Here is the boilerplate of HTML, and I will firstly link the CSS. So let me just basically link my CSS as link style.css, as you can see here. Now I will basically, now what I'm going to do, will just tell you how you can create your own navbar. So as you can see here is I have created a script called start wheat. Wheat is a basically live server which I will create. Here I will type npm start. As you can see, here is the local host server, and it's just opened my website. And now I will create the navbar in this website. First of all, open my Visual Studio Code. Here I will create a navbar. Just simply type nav. In the navbar I will type a ul, and in between I will type li. Li is the names, like you can either be home, services, contact us, or anything you want. I will type home, about, services, and after that I will type contact us. Let me do this, contact us. So this is your basic HTML website. You can see here home, services, about, or contact us. Now what I will do, I will make the navbar as flex. So I will make a class in ul and give it a flex. You can see it is now in this way, and now I have to give the space in between. In the Tailwind CSS we have a space x. Space x is a class by which you can give the space between the LIs of the UL. Now I will give a background color BG red. As you can see, I have already added it. Now I will give the padding. Let me just quickly give it the pad x as let me give it to 7 pixel. Yeah, as you can see, pad x is here. Now I will give the y pad also, pad by 6. Now you can see it is looking like simple navbar. I know it is not like good, and I will create a navbar. Now I will add the some classes in the LIs. Let's make the text as white. Now I will write the text white. As you can see, our text is now white. Now I will add a class named text xl. It is basically the size of the text, and I will make it as xl. Let me type as text xl. As you can see, our text is now bigger. Now I will also add a class text extra bold, which will bold the contents, which will bold the letters of my text. You can see there. Now what I will do, I will just simply take the whole elements of my navbar to the right side, and I will add justify end. You can see here I have take on the navbar contents to the right side. It will look cool. So now as you can see, our last item is very much to the right. So I will add the padding right to increase the padding right. Let me increase more. It is basically a hit and trial method. As you can see, I'm just typing some values and seeing how it looks. So basically it just works like this. So now let me again do some of the changes. So now what I am going to do, I am just going to make another class named hover. I will show you how it works. It is a very cool thing. Let me show you. So I just type hover. Here I will type text. Now I will choose any text color. So now as you can see here, I have chosen the yellow color with 400. Now I will also add the cursor pointer. You have already seen, like whenever you make your mouse pointer to another navbar option, it will change its pointer, like you can see here. As you can see here, I've changed the cursor to the pointer and it is already looking a very cool look. Now what I will do, I will add, I think, a div. Let me quickly add a div here. I will add it below. Now add a div here. In this I will write a text like projects by Japjit. You can take any name or anything you want. As you can see, it is out of my navbar. So what I have to do, I will also add a class to the navbar, flex, class flex. Now as you can see, it is not working in that way as we expected. So let me again add a background color red to this div. So I will type class and bg red. Wait. So now as you can see, our navbar is now looking somehow good. Now I will make some changes. So as I already told you, it is just basically a hit and trial method by which you can make changes and see which look the perfect thing. Here as I change the margin and the padding. Now I will add some of the padding to the left side of the navbar so I can add a photo. Like you have seen the pictures, or you can say the logo of a website. I will also add a logo to the website. So let me show you. Firstly I will add some of the padding to the left and again add some more as it is some less. So let me quickly do it. Now it is looking somehow fine. Now I will add the image. You can see there it is looking very nice currently. Now what I will do, I will just quickly add the image. I will take the image from my another website which I have made. Let me show you. japjeet01.github.io/japjeetsingh.tech. Wait, I have already downloaded it. Let me show you. I have already downloaded. Yeah, here it is. Let me quickly copy it and paste it into my Visual Studio folder. Let me grab it. Grab the downloaded image and I will paste it into my Visual Studio. Now it is the PNG file. Make sure you download the PNG file. Now I will make the image. Let me add image tag. In the SCR I will provide the path of the image, and in the ANT you can type anything which you want. Now you can see again my padding is now not looking good, so I will have to again adjust the padding. Let me quickly add the class here and I will make some width. As the image is too big, so I will add a class of width and change its image size. Now its image is too small, width is very less. Let me increase some of the width. Now it's increased too much. So this is the whole process. You can see here I have to change it a lot of the times and see the perfect ones which looks. You can get it on the time, like by using it again and again you will be able to do the changes frequently or quickly. So now let me quickly remove some of the padding as it is overlapping. So now let me quickly remove some of the paddings here and I will adjust the padding and the margins required in this type of navbar, and I will show you it after it is completed. Now so now as you can see I have made many changes in the code, and now it is looking somehow more beautiful, or you can say professional. So now here's our final navbar. As you can see, it is a hover, and here is the whole navbar. Let me add some of the padding in the image section, as I think it is very much less. Padding X will be 1 and padding Y will be 1. I think it will be sufficient. Yeah, now it is looking very cool, you can see here. So that's all for this video. If you like my project, please like my video and hit the bell icon. Thank you.